done yet.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 8:30 p.m. At 7:05 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles south of Fairview Beach to near Colonial Beach, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Namini Bay, Coles Point, Memphis Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, Westmoreland State Park, Maryland Point, St. George Island, Nanjemoy Creek, Colonial Beach and Piney Point.